Bob. And the reason for that is I have so much in my family. This is not a game for me. My wife's mother died of breast cancer, and now my daughter, just a few weeks ago, went in for clots in the brain, and they found out that she had brain cancer. She's also got, and of course I had to go to work. But I do want to say to you, if you think you might have breast cancer or any type of cancer, but especially breast cancer, please, please, please go look at the studies for selenium, SELENIUM. Go look at the medical studies for that product. Also go look for the medical studies on fucoidan, FUCOIDAN. The medical industry has been doing research on these for well over 40 years. They have results that would astound you, but those results have never been presented to the public. Please go look them up. And if they would put those things in the hands of our doctors, along with the beautiful oncogene test that she just told you about, it would be a different world that we live in.
God bless you, sir.
Any additional questions?